Welcome to AEHelp.com's IELTS test preparation videos. You will now see Hannah from Ghana score a 7.5 for her speaking interview. For lots more speaking practice, including over 100 hours of videos, a fully interactive course, and original practice exams, visit and join our premium package at aehelp.com. Use this discount code to save 10% from our premium package, also in the video description. Now watch and learn. Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. It has 3 parts. I will give you instructions for each part. I'm going to record it for marking purposes. What is your full name?
My first name is Hannah and my surname is Mensah. Please call me Hannah.
Okay, Hannah. May I see your identification, please?
Certainly. Here's my passport. Please have a look.
Thank you. Okay, here's your identification back. For part 1, I will ask you a few questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Where do you live?
I'm currently living in London in a 1-bedroom flat, but originally I'm from Accra, the capital city of Ghana.
What do you like about your home?
I like that it's conveniently located in the heart of London, close to many shopping and great restaurants. My flat is east facing also, so it's bright.
Let's talk about jewelry. Do you like to wear jewelry?
Yes, I like to wear jewelry, like earrings, rings, and necklaces. I find that jewelry is not only pretty, but holds sentimental value on occasions.
What is your favorite type of jewelry?
If I had to choose, I would say I love necklaces the most as they are pretty and easily seen.
Where is a good place for you to buy jewelry?
I love to shop around in different places, but there's one close to my home called the Sparkle Shop, which I like to go a lot. They have great prices and selection. In fact, just last month, I bought a nice pair of earrings from them.
If you could make a piece of jewelry, what would it be?
I have made some few jewelry in the past, and if I had any chance to make such accessory, I'll shoot for the stars and make a diamond princess necklace. It will be both beautiful and worth a ton of money.
Have you ever got jewelry as a gift? If yes, what?
Yes, I have. I have gotten jewelry from my parents on my birthday a couple of years back, and also I got a nice ring from a friend just last summer.
Have you ever bought jewelry for another person?
I have purchased different pieces of jewelry for both friends and family in the past. I remember a nice piece of necklace I got from my mom on Mother's Day some few years back.
That is the end of part 1. Now we will continue with part 2. For part 2, here is a card with some questions. Here is some note paper. And here is a pen. You can take notes in the 1 minute if you wish. I will tell you when to start, when to stop. You will have 2 minutes to speak. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Okay, then go ahead, turn over the card, and your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Okay, Hannah, your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
An exceptionally creative and talented person I know is my friend Amy. She has been learning music right from a young age, and she plays not only the piano but has a very beautiful voice.
To see the rest of this speaking interview, as well as the lesson explanation for Hannah's scores, including original practice exams, a fully interactive course, and over 100 hours of video lessons, visit and join our premium package at aehelp.com. Use this discount code also in the video description to save 10%. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.